Okay, we got too much water right here, gang. I believe there is a drain underneath those stones, but the water is coming up into the deck here a little bit. A little damp right here, all the way up here it's damp. That's my concern. Okay. All too much water here. Right here. All along the side. And this water is coming down. You can see it right there. Percolating. Water's coming down right there. So, must be coming down here somewhere. Down here. So we need a drain over here somewhere. And as you can see, the idiots that I paid all that money to, they put the drain right here, where it isn't draining anything. And I think you can see kind of a line right there, a little right of the tire, kind of on an angle, right up there. That might be where the drain is, and it's not doing shit.